Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can create stories, plot twists, even characters, instantly. That world is no longer the future. It's here. AI-generated fiction is reshaping the literary landscape. But what does this mean for writers? A powerful tool, or a creative threat? Let's find out. Writers today are experimenting with AI tools, ChatGPT, Pseudowrite, Jasper, and more. They help brainstorm ideas, suggest dialogue, and even draft full chapters. For some, it's a cure for writer's block. For others, it's a way to explore new styles and voices. In fact, AI has already co-authored books that made it to publication. With AI, self-published authors can finish books faster, while publishers are debating how to adapt. But the rise of AI fiction raises big questions. Will the market be flooded with generic stories? And will the unique value of human creativity be challenged? AI fiction isn't without controversy. If a machine writes a story, who owns it? Can an algorithm capture the emotions, experiences, and cultural depth that define great literature? Many believe AI can generate words, but not the soul that makes a story truly resonate. So, should writers be worried? Not exactly. Think of AI as a creative partner, not a competitor. Writers who collaborate with AI can spark new ideas, work faster, and push storytelling into uncharted territory. The future belongs to those who blend human imagination with machine innovation. AI is transforming fiction, but storytelling remains a human art. Machines can generate words, but only people can breathe life into them. The future of writing isn't humans versus AI. It's humans with AI. What do you think? Will AI help or harm creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more on the future of storytelling. And until then, happy writing.